Stair step flashing versus counter flashing. So stair step flashing, I'm gonna throw a picture up so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about, is a very common form of flashing that actually goes over something else called step flashing. So a lot of forms of flashing, but just wanna talk about the difference between the stair step flashing and then also the counter flashing, because in my opinion, counter flashing is a little bit better, and I'm gonna tell you why. So stair step flashing is going to be a bunch of cut pieces of metal that are nailed into masonry or brick surfaces like brick or stucco. And what happens is over time, these usually bend, they curl, and a lot of the times they can come out. So with counter flashing, I like this a good bit better. It's actually going to be a solid stick of metal that usually comes in 10-foot sections, so you're going to have a more cohesive barrier on top of that step flashing that's going to better protect it, especially when you're cutting in the masonry surfaces, making sure it's aligned correctly, sealing it properly, and in my opinion, it's also just a much prettier look. A lot of the times you can get this color matched ahead of time, especially on your much nicer homes, to make sure it matches your trim. So definitely find out what's actually on your home, and when your roof does get replaced, to make sure that you're getting the option that you really want. But again, personally, I recommend counter flashing.